Hi! In front of me is iPad 10th Gen, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. First of all, tap on Calendar app. Now pick a date by tapping on the chosen one, and create your event by choosing this plus icon at the top left corner of it. Now adjust it however you want to. For example, you can add a title over here, then click, typo, then click on location or video call, type in an address and click on the correct result. Following that, you can pick starting day and starting hour, and also ending one. If you don't need to do that, just select this sweater next to all day in order to disable this option completely. Now scroll down and tap on repeat. Over here, select the best option for you, like every year, and tap on end repeat. Then click on never or on date. If you don't want to do any of that, just tap on every year and select never. But you can also click on custom option instead at the bottom and adjust this calendar feature however you wish to. Now click on calendar here, select the best option for you. I will go with work. Invite people from your contact book, select alert and set up notifications, minutes, hours or weeks before your event. Then click on show us, tap on busy or free, add attachments and finally take some notes. Now when you're ready, choose add at the top right corner to save your event. As you can see, mine is over here. In order to make some changes, you need to tap on it, then select edit at the top right corner here and change wherever you wish to. I will go with show us busy. Then you can discard your changes by clicking on cancel at the top left corner or save them by choosing done at the top right one. Now click on the best option for you. I will go with save for future events. And in order to get rid of your event completely, just select delete at the bottom of it and click on the best option for you. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!